Welcome to Solidworks video tutorials. In this video, we are going to see about the basics of 3D modeling. Exercise number 4. First, select new part, then pick front plane for sketching. Now, select the line command and draw the outline of the sketch as given in the manual. After the sketching, specify the dimensions of the sketch using Smart Dimension command. Once the sketch is fully defined, select features. In that, select extruded bars and specify the depth to be 30 mm as per the manual. Then select the face of the part and give sketch. Select the line command and draw the outline of the sketch at the base of the part. Then specify its dimensions using Smart Dimension command. Then after dimensioning, in features, select extruded bars and specify the depth of the extrusion as the dimension given in manual. Now again select the same face of the part and give sketch. Now select the rectangle command and draw a rectangle at the top of the part. Specify its dimensions. Then in features, select extruded bars and give the depth of extrusion as 50 mm. Now select the top plane and give sketch. Select a circle command and draw a circle. Then specify its dimensions in vertical and horizontal directions with respect to the part. After dimensioning, in features, select extruder cut, select sketch plane or face and specify the plane of the part. Then change the material to be IS2062. Then check with the mass properties under evaluate. That's it.